Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to convert ICICI Bank credit card transaction into EMI. Now it doesn't matter if you're using a co-branded credit card or a proper ICICI Bank credit card, the process to convert transaction into EMI is going to be same. So without wasting any time, we are going to start the video. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open iMobile application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. Now once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. At the top, you can check out your credit card number. You can check out the balance if you want to. You get few options like reset pin, pay bill or block card. Now if you want to convert any eligible transaction into EMI, then for that you need to go to my card section, select your credit card and you will get a screen like this. If you go down, you get an option of recent transaction. So you can simply tap on last 30 days and you will be able to check out all the recent transaction for your last 30 days. Now at the top you can see there is an important note which says convert up to 5 transaction of minimum 1500 into EMI at once. So as I said, you can select any eligible transaction to convert it into EMI. Now I have a transaction of 1700 over here. So if I want to convert that particular transaction into EMI, I'm going to tap on that transaction and at the bottom convert to EMI option is activated. So I can simply tap on it and go ahead. Also, you can check out the rate of interest, you can check out the processing fee, you can also check out foreclosure fee. Now in tenure, you need to select months for which you want to convert the transaction into EMI. You get an option of 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months and the max option you get is for 24 months. Now for this particular amount, if you select 12 months, the EMI amount will be 156. Now I don't want to keep it for 12 months. If I select 6 months, you can see the EMI amount will be changed. But let's select 3 months. Now you can see for 3 months, the EMI amount is 585.12. So over here, you can choose whichever option is good for you. Once you select the tenure, go down, tap on this box over here to accept terms and conditions and then select confirm and convert. So now you can see we have converted selected transaction into EMI. So that's how simple it is to convert ICICI Bank credit card transaction into EMI. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.